Hello student, good morning. I am your new maths teacher Shatabdi ma'am, and today we are going to learn comparing decimal from chapter 5 decimal and their application. So let me explain first comparing decimals. So first comparing. What is the meaning of comparison? Comparison, it means comparing between two things or two objects or two digits. Let me take one example. 8 is greater than 5 or 5 is smaller than 8. Already we have learnt in our lower classes. But in this decimals and their application, we are going to learn comparing between decimals. So here are some steps. So your first steps is compare the digits to the left of the decimal point. Compare the digits to the left of the decimal points. Now we'll see first left and right of decimal points. 98. This is your decimal point. 98 is left sides of a decimal point, that is whole part. This is the whole part of natural number. And after decimal, it is right side of a decimal. Okay, that is fractional part. So we'll see 98.5 and 9.875. We will see the comparison between 98.5 and 9.875. So we'll see. First, what is our step? That we will compare the digit to the left of the decimal. So we'll see only this side. This side. So here it is 98 and here it is 9. Okay, we know that 98 is greater than 9. So easily we can write that 98.5 is greater than 9.875. Okay, we'll see. Here it is 78.5, 78.3 and 6.785. Okay, now we'll see. Again we will see this part. It means before decimal, left side of a decimal, that is 78, and here 6. Again we will compare. We know that 78 is greater than 6. Okay, so here we will write that 78.3 is greater than 6.785. Okay, clear? Now we will go to the next step. If the digit to the left of the decimal points are equal, compare the digits in the 10th place. Now next step is, if the digit to the left of the decimal, what is the meaning of that? Before decimal are equal, then what we will do? We will compare the digit in the 10th place. It means right side of a decimal. So right side of a decimal, it means this one. Okay, so what we will do? We will move towards a right side of a decimal, and first place is 10th place. We will check 10th place of these digits. So we'll see 9, here also 9, both are equal. Now we will move towards a 10th place, that is here 5, and in this it is 8. Okay, now we'll see, obviously 5 is smaller than 8 or 8 is greater than 5. So 9.5671 is smaller than 9.8 or 9.8 is greater than 9.5671. Okay, I will see next example. 9.78 and 9.35. Again we'll check. Yes, before decimal both are equal. Now we'll move towards a first place of after decimal, that is 10th place. So here we are getting 7 and here it is 3. 7, 3. So 7 is greater than 3 or 3 is lesser than 7. So we write 9.78 is greater than 9.35. Okay, now we'll see third step. That is, if the digits to the left of the decimal point and the digit in the 10th place are equal, compare the digits in the 100th place. What is the meaning of this? If we'll see that our left before decimal both are equal, what we'll do? We'll move towards a 10th place. Again we'll check if we are getting that both are equal, then we'll jump towards a 100th place. After 10th place we will check 100th place. So here in 100th place 1, and here if you will check it is 6. So 1 is lesser than 6 or 6 is greater than 1. So we'll write that 9.51 is lesser than 9.56. Okay, 7.85 and 7.82. Again we'll check. According to our steps is that 7 both side we will see before decimal both are 7. Then next 10th place we'll check, both are 8 means equal. Now we'll check 100th place. Here 5 and this side 2, and we know that the 5 is greater than 2. So we'll write that 7.85 greater than 7.82. Okay. Now we'll see next, that is step 4. If the digits to the left of the decimal point and the digits in the 10 and 100 are equal, compare the digits in the thousand place. What if before decimal means left side of a decimal both are equal, then we'll see 10th place. If both are equal, again we'll check 100th place. If both are equal, then what? We will jump towards a 1000th place. This is our 1000th place. So we'll check this 9, 5, 3 all are equal, then we'll check 1000th place, that is 2, and here it is 1. So 2 is greater than 1. So our 9.532 is greater than 9.531. 6.735 and 6.738. Again we'll check before decimal both are equal, 10th place both are equal, 100th place both are equal, then we'll see 1000th place. Here it is 5 and there 8. So 5 is lesser than 8 or 8 is greater than 5. So 6.735 is lesser than 6.738, or we can say 6.738 is greater than 6.735. Okay. Now if in this condition, if you are getting before decimal means left side of a decimal equal, 10th place equal, 100th place equal, as well as 1000th place also equal, then we can write our both the digits are equal. Okay. Hope you will get this topic. If you are having any doubts, you can call me or you can ask me in WhatsApp, or you can come to school for clearing your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.